we're gonna put in a good Posi. Because you know what? It's that time. Yes, I don't even know where this Posi is. Condensed the search to this one area because, yeah, it's got to be in here. I mean, where else would it be? Like an hour of searching later, and here we are. Even got the special sauce. High performance, obviously. What a fucking intense ecosystem for a spider, hey? Like, slime. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like syrup. Positively certain she is close to coming out. Oh, nice. Yes. Typical Ford limited slip differential. And this is Yukon gear and axles for track 1, I think. No, that's not right. Dura grip is what that is. So, a little bit better for sure. Throw that in there and should have a little more fun. And I always thought these like rings on the Posi for your like vehicle speed sensor didn't come off, but they do, according to my uncle. So we're gonna test his theory here and try and remove this cunt. Right, so we have the speed sensor ring on here, pretty much good to go. Based on my findings, we're about 15, 16 thou out. Shimmage over here, do a smaller shim stack and do more over there and move it in a little tighter. Get the backlash a little tighter, and then I'll run a pattern. Yeah, just big time shimming. Alrighty. So we got just a little over 11 thou. It's 11 thou to 16 thou, according to some people. And some people say it's 8 thou to 11 thou. So I just set her to 11 thou. I mean, I'm no expert, clearly. But that's pretty alright. I'm gonna run it. Fuck it. Just pinned about this whole thing. Oh yeah. Quite positive that worked.